I'm going to show you how you can transfer XRP from Robinhood into a cold wallet. Now, the cold wallet I'm going to be taking an example here is a Ledger. So first off, you will have to install the Ledger Live app. So tap on Ledger Live app like this, right? So Ledger Live app, and then you will have to download this. You can find the Ledger Live app here on the Ledger app here. Now you can download it here. So you can download the Ledger Live app here. If you're in Windows, you can tap on this, on Mac, on Linux, on iOS, and also for Android. If I want to download for Windows, I just need to tap on this and then it'll download like that. Now I'm going to show you a beyond this with pictures since I do not have a Ledger Live or a Robinhood account. So I'm going to move on to my pictures here. From the Ledger Live app, you will need to add an account. Now on here, this is where you will need to plug in your Ledger Live Nano. So just plug it in, and then when you plug it in, this is what you will see. Now, when you plug it in, you will get an address for the Ledger Live here, right? So add in the address, copy in the address. Now let's move on to Robinhood. Now on Robinhood, when you're on the home screen here, you just want to tap on the button on send. Once you're on send, you want to add in how much crypto you want to send. So for example, you want to send XRP, make sure to change it from off Ethereum. You want to change it to XRP. Tap on continue. After that, this is where you will need to enter in the wallet address. Now, once you enter the wallet address, you will review. Since it's going to be showing sensitive information, I'm not going to be continuing on with this. But when you tap on review, you will show some sensitive information. Just confirm it. And then you will be able to send the XRP from your Robinhood wallet onto your cold wallet, which in this case will be the Ledger Live.